The COVID-19 pandemic has been difficult for many, especially for people of color. Getting the COVID-19 vaccine will help Arizona residents feel safe. But as Ivory Ward tells us, people of color can't access vaccinations as easily.
The Arizona Department of Health Services show residents who have received at least one dose of the vaccine. The numbers are stark. A little more than 20,000 Black or African American and 100,000 Latino have been vaccinated, in comparison to about 630,000 white residents. Hundreds of people are lining up for vaccination, but few people of color are among them. U.S. Army veteran Pamela Usher says the lag in access for minorities is part of a pattern for discrimination.
Earlier on, the onset of the virus, they did start to bring more things into the community, like having tested, but it took months and months and hundreds of deaths before anything could really be established. So I do think that the minority communities are underserved.
Even getting to a vaccine location can be hard. Arizona public health advocate Charlene Tarver says health officials often don't understand obstacles for people of color, especially those of low income.
There are some concerns around access to the vaccination, making sure that that it's a walkable space, that individuals that do not have access to transportation are able to get the vaccination during hours that are conducive to their lifestyles.
The Arizona Latino Legislative Caucus urges Governor Doug Ducey to expand COVID vaccination and prioritize communities of color.
I'm not sure what world the governor is living in right now. He's holding on to millions of dollars in COVID-19 relief, and the governor is refusing to reimburse the county for COVID-19 expenses, and also reduced our vaccine supply for the second week in a row.
Representative Cano says the caucus wants the governor to partner with local governments and agencies to set up vaccination sites, get vaccination to immigrant communities, and set standards that are fair to all Arizona residents. The hope is to add equity so everyone has a chance to get vaccinated. The AZDHS website shows that the demographic groups with the lowest percentage of shots are Hawaiian and Pacific Islanders. In the studio, Ivory Ward, Cronkite News.